Hello. Thank you for the likes. How are you? Good morning. Good. Morning. Ouch. A day. Thank you for watching. Hi, Ronel. Vives. Good morning, Sheryl. You are up before the sun, yeah. Before beautiful smile, princess. So we so Lando. Very beautiful. Thank you, Robert. Chandlers. Hello. Chandlers. Let's drink coffee. Coffee. Let's drink coffee. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Hi, what time is it? Time here is 6 in the morning. 6:03 in the morning here. Philippine time. Early morning. Very early. Thank you. Let's coffee. Drink coffee. Yum, yum. Thank you for watching. And people, for likes, thanks so much. Thank you to those hit the likes. Thank you so much. Do you live in Cebu? No, I live in Bicol. I'm living in Bicol, not in Cebu. Where are you from? Back Bespo. I'm from USA. Ah, okay. Nice to meet you, Renel. Where are you in USA? Where are you in USA? Thank you for the likes. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you in USA? Where state? Hi, po, Ate. Good morning. Neshima. Neshima. Good morning. Neshima. Thank you for the like. Thank you, 16, 13 people here watching from Caloocan City. Hi, shout out to you, Nishimea from Caloocan. I'm traveler. Ah, okay. Where are you in USA? Renal. Davis. Friends, hello. How are you getting from Chile, Latin America? Chile, Latin America. Thank you for watching from Chile, Latin America. Francisco Espinosa Vera. Espinosa Vera. Yes, Suman. Mas okay yan yung sa gata. May gata to. May gata to. Pero sa Infanta Quezon lang meron. Ah, bigas to na may ano, gata. Yeah. Yeah. Banana leaf. With coconut milk. Groner. Music. Hello. Kaya nga, sumanso eh. Anong klaseng ano yun? Dito naman sa amin lahat naman may gata yung suman. Kasi Bicol kami, lahat ng suman namin may gata. Bali, umuwi kami ng Ginyangan sa Quezon Province. Lahat, dito sa amin Bicol, lahat ng suman namin may gata. Nabili namin habang nasa stopover. You should have some grilled tilapia with that Cheryl. Thank you for the likes. Oh my God, thank you, Mon. Thank you, Mon TV. Thank you for the... Thank you so much. Naiip. Good morning, Merry Christmas in advance. Thank you. Thank you sa gift month. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Oh my God, thank you. Thank you for now. Peace be with you. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Oh my God. Thank you sa gift. I'm a Filipina. Thank you so much. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you so much for the gift. Oh my God, unexpected. I'm happy. Merry Christmas in advance. Thank you, Ramnel Virus. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mont TV. Thanks so much. God bless you guys. God bless you. Thank you from Turkey. Nice to meet you. I'm from Philippines. Filipina. Oh my God. I'm so happy. Maybe before Christmas, I received it. Oh my God. Thanks a lot, my gifter. God bless you more. God. Thank you so much. I don't know how to. Thanks a lot. This time I love you much better. Oh God! Oh God! Oh, thank you so much. Ranel, sorry. I'm sorry, I don't know how Gcash. It's okay. It's fine. Thank you, Ranel. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Oh my God. I'm so happy. Thank you po. God bless you more, guys. Montebe, thank you. God bless you. Ronel Bebas, thank you so much. Oh my God. Thank you po. Oh, God. It helps me, it helps me a lot. Oh my God. Thank you guys. It's a generous friend here on YouTube. Blessed morning. Oh, Monday. Maybe the whole week is blessing. Thank you so much from now. Ronel Vivas. Hi, Petrol. Rafael Cruz Cruz. Hello. Good morning. Do you okay, are you a traveler? Maybe you're going here on the Philippines. I'm not living in Cebu, but I'm in Bicol. You do vlog travel. Why are you in trouble? I'm not in trouble. Why you say that? Petrol 100. I'm not in trouble. Thank you so much, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. So happy. What are you doing? I'm doing live. Are you working? I'm going to work soon. Later, in few hours. Working. Mm, 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 mm. were you born in November, Cheryl? No, I was born in February 2, 2nd February, the months of the heart months. February, I was born in February. Thank you, Ronel Davis. Thank you so much. Also, you have a birthday coming soon. Yes, my birthday is coming soon. Thank you so much. I need to end the live, preparing for breakfast and preparing going to work. Thank you so much, Ronald Bebes from America, United States of America, and Mont TV. Thanks you so much. The Generous Friend Her on YouTube. Thanks a lot. God bless you more. Take care always. Thank you. Love you all, guys. Bye bye. See you next live. Good evening from Sweden. Have a nice day. Thank you, Tommy. Be of strong heart, Cheryl. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ronel. Nice to meet you here. It helps me a lot. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Need to work.